A P0420 code on your Chevy Silverado means your catalytic converter is operating below the required efficiency threshold. You can fix this by replacing the failing catalytic converter or replacing a faulty downstream oxygen sensor that is sending bad data. The engine control module constantly monitors the exhaust gases leaving your engine. It uses 2 oxygen sensors for each catalytic converter. Sensor 1 sits before the converter to measure the unburned oxygen in the exhaust. Sensor 2 sits behind it to monitor how well the converter is cleaning those emissions. When the converter is healthy, the downstream sensor shows a steady reading. If the catalyst inside breaks down or gets clogged, the downstream readings will start matching the fluctuating upstream readings. This triggers the check engine light and sets the P0420 code in your computer. Before replacing the most expensive part, you need to test the exhaust system. An exhaust leak near the sensors can introduce outside air and mimic a failing converter. A malfunctioning oxygen sensor can also trick the system into throwing a false code. Misfires, burning oil, or running too rich will quickly destroy a brand new catalytic converter. You must diagnose and repair the underlying engine issue before bolting on a replacement unit. Replacing the part without fixing the root cause guarantees the code will return.